Ever open an Excel file and it's a mess, duplicates, weird spaces, no idea what drives the numbers? Let me fix that fast. In 3 minutes I'll turn chaos into a clean, automated dashboard you can trust. Step 1. Lock down structure, click anywhere in your data. Press Ctrl+T to make it a table. Name it sales data in table design. Tables auto-expand, so formulas and pivots update themselves. Step 2. Clean incoming text without touching the raw. Add a new column. Clean name. Enter. Text after. Trim. Substitute. Customer. 0. Older Excel? Use. Trim. Customer. This strips funky spaces. Step 3. Kill duplicates at the source, not the sheet. In a helper sheet, use unique, sales data clean name, to get a live list of customers. Step 4. Fix missing lookups. Create a tiny mapping table. Column, code, column, region, name it, map region. In sales data add region with docx lookup. Code, map region, region, unknown. No more VLOOKUP guesswork, it won't break when columns move. Step 5. Normalize dates. If dates are text use, con date value with date, in a new column. Format as short date. Add month with cons text, clean date. Step 6. Numbers check. Use tanch value, amount. If amounts import as text, quickly scan with home. Conditional formatting. Data bars to spot outliers. Insert, pivot table, source, sales data. Drop month in rows. Region in columns. Sum of amount in values. That's your baseline trend. Add a second pivot for customers. Rows, ASK, clean name. Values, ASK, sum of amount. Filters, ASK, region. Filters, ASK, month. Right-click values. Show values, as percent of column total. Turn both pivots into visuals. Insert a line chart for the monthly trend. Insert a bar chart for top customers. Remove chart junk. Add data labels only where needed. Set a consistent color theme. Interactivity in one click. Slicers. With a pivot selected, insert, slicer. Choose region. Choose month. Position slicers on the left. Use report connections to link both slicers to both pivots so everything filters together. Automation time. Data. Get data. From text, chalk as CSV. Connect once. Power query. Trim. Clean. Change types. Remove columns. Close and load into the sales data table. Next week just data. Refresh all. Bonus speed. Top 10 view without formulas. In customer pivot, go value. Filters. Top 10 by sum of amount. Done. Quality check before you ship. Click grand totals. Drill down to spot rogue blank regions or negative amounts. If something's off, fix the mapping or the types. Don't hard code. Export clean. File. Export PDF. Landscape. Or copy the charts. Paste as picture into a deck so they don't break. That's the full pipeline. Clean data, live pivots, slicers, and auto-refresh or without writing a single macro. If you want the Notion version of this, gonna occur 1 dashboard, 2 databases, roll-ups and buttons. Drop Notion in the comments, so we'll see you in the next one.